Welcome to From the Bottle. I'm making a Greek couscous salad with lots of veggies and lemon and spearmint essential oils. Now we know lemon essential oil is very cleansing for the body, and since we're using it in a dressing here and we're not going to heat it up, we're going to get all the benefits. And spearmint essential oil is great for indigestion, bad breath, cooling the body, and lots of other benefits. So you ready for this really refreshing salad? Okay, let's go. Looks good, right? Now fresh mint is great, and if you have it, go ahead and use that as well as the spearmint essential oil. But a lot of times it goes bad really fast in the fridge. I can't keep it around, and if I don't have it, I'm gonna grab my essential oils and use it from the bottle.